If you see the error could not complete the call, you're already on a call, please try again later in your Messenger application. Here's how to fix it. First of all, you need to go ahead and end any hidden or stuck calls. Open Messenger and make sure that there is no any active or stuck calls. End them if you find any and close the Messenger application completely from your device. You need to force stop the Messenger application. Tap and hold onto it, tap on the eye icon in the top, and go to its app info. Tap on the force stop icon from the bottom right corner of your screen and then re-enable it again. Also, scroll all the way down, go to storage, and tap on clear cache. Come back and go to the permissions tab in the top. Make sure that you've given all the permissions to this app. Now, reopen Messenger and try your call again. And then restart your phone if it still does not fix the issue. This can stop any call sessions running in the background. If you're using any VPN or private DNS, turn it off and try making the call again using your normal internet connection. And also don't forget to update the Messenger application. For that, you need to open your Play Store or App Store. Simply search for Facebook Messenger. And if you see an update button over there, simply go ahead and tap on update. And if it still does not work, tap on uninstall and completely uninstall the application from your device and reinstall it. If none of the steps work, there might be a problem with the Messenger call service. You need to wait for 15 to 30 minutes and try again later. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.